So in this example, right, we are exploring some real world context, and you should be able to decide if a context is direct or inverse relationship. So if they give you a context, if they give you two variables and they never mention whether they are direct or inverse, you got to decide and tell them in the working that these two variables are direct or inverse. Then you set up your algebra correctly. So the critical part will be, would you be able to tell whether it's a direct or inverse relationship? Okay, so let's recall first. The idea of direct, right, means both can increase or both can decrease. The idea of inverse is opposite. Inverse will be something like one increase, one decrease, or one decrease, the other one increase. So inverse is like opposite relationship. Okay, so let's explore a little bit. So in this case, right, part A, the number of pencils. So I can let the number of pencils be X and the cost be Y. So you can think about it this way: you buy more pencil, you pay more. So X and Y are direct proportion. So once you decide already, you can say them out in words, and then you can do your equation. So the number of pipes, will be X, the time will be Y. Okay, so the tank is constant. So the tank is fixed. So imagine if you only got one pipe. If you only got one pipe, maybe it will take a long time to fill up. But if you got more pipes, you can imagine like filling up the tank faster. So you got more pipes, you will take lesser time. That means there's more people helping you to fill up the tank. So in such a case, X and Y are inverse proportion. So from here, you can set up the algebra. So subsequently, you can try for part C, part D, and part E. So what's the time, what's the variable? You give it a try to see whether you can decide the relationship in this way. Okay, so if you decide wrongly in a question, that means your equation is wrong, the information will be wrong.